Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the exact project folder so VS Code can resolve files and extensions. Once done, open the file you want to view and make sure language mode matches the file type. This enables proper rendering and IntelliSense. Install and enable any extension needed for output viewing, for example Python or Live Server, because extensions provide the viewers or debuggers. Make sure the Explorer shows your workspace and that files are saved, since unsaved buffers won't reflect in certain outputs. Now run the code using the method best for your project so you can view output quickly. For scripts, open the integrated terminal and run the interpreter or build command. For web pages, right-click and choose Open with Live Server, because that serves files and reloads on save. If debugging, set breakpoints and use the debug console to inspect variables and stdout. The output panel aggregates logs from extensions, so switch tabs when needed. Make sure the correct interpreter and workspace are selected before running. Finish by inspecting the output panels and problems view to confirm expected results and to spot errors quickly. If you don't see output, make sure the correct interpreter or runtime is selected and that any server port isn't blocked, because misconfigured settings often hide results. If issues persist, reload the window or restart the extension, and clear the terminal before rerunning. This resets internal state and often resolves stale output. One key tip: toggle developer tools to view console errors if things still go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.